In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. Over here, tap on Theme section, scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. When you're ready, just click on the chosen one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And to save your chosen keyboard, tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. If you wish to customize it though, you can always do that by going into the same settings, but this time selecting this plus under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on the Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on this switcher next to key borders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!